Hello, my friends. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today is a very special day. It's my birthday. I am 33. So I'm going to share with all of y'all the classic birthday cake, Funfetti Cake. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And the best part, we're going to use a cake mix, but we're going to doctor it up and add in some other ingredients, and it's going to taste like you made it from scratch. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and we're going to frost it with a homemade vanilla buttercream frosting. And this would be perfect for any birthday. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Strawberry Stuffed French Toast. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So turn on your oven, grab your cake pans, and your Funfetti cake mix sugar, because we're about to bake some Funfetti cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. Over here, I have my all-purpose flour. We need 1 cup. So we're going to use my 1 cup measurement. Going to fluff it up and level it off. And voila, perfect cup. And I'm going to pour it into my large bowl. And into our flour, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar. And this is the part right here when you add in 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. But since I'm using salted butter, there's no need. But if using unsalted butter, add in 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And last but not least, we're going to add in the cake mix. And this is a 15.25 ounce box. And give it a quick whisk until it's well blended. Or you can sip them if you like. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my stand mixer with a paddle attachment, or you can use a large bowl with an electric hand mixer, we're going to add in 4 extra large eggs at room temperature, and one of my eggs has a double yolk. And into our eggs, we're going to add in 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of salted butter that I melted and cooled. 1 5.3 ounce carton of Greek yogurt at room temperature, and this is the original flavor. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, that's a capful. 1/2 teaspoon of pure almond extract, and be careful not to add too much because this is potent. A little bit goes a long way. And 1 cup of half and half at room temperature, which is half milk, half heavy cream. And we're going to mix everything together on medium speed until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add in the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients a little at a time. And mix. Alright, last of the dry ingredients. And continue mixing until it's well incorporated. Be careful not to overmix. Alright, my friends, I am through mixing up my cake batter. Look how nice and whipped and luscious that is. That looks great. And there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. 3 tablespoons of rainbow sprinkles, or you can use the rainbow jimmies, and fold those in. I know the Funfetti cake mix already has sprinkles in it, but I like to add some more in, make them a little bit more festive. Smells good. Can smell the vanilla extract and the almond extract. Alright, as soon as I get through folding in my sprinkles, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through folding in my sprinkles and our cake batter is complete. Now we are ready to pour it into our cake pans. We're going to pour it into 2 9-inch round cake pans that I sprayed with baking spray. And this is what it looks like. I'm using Baker's Joy, or you can use the pan baking. So we're going to use my 1 cup measurement, and we're going to scoop the batter into our pans. That will give us even cake layers. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish scooping out my cake batter, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I've got all my cake batter into my pans, so now I'm going to shake them and bang them to release the air bubbles. Now we are ready to put them in the oven, and to bake them, just follow the directions on the box. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let them bake for 33 minutes, and I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell cake. I just taken them out of the oven. Look how nice and golden brown they are. And the smell's incredible up in this kitchen. So now I'm going to let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Alright, my friends, it's been 10 minutes. Now we're going to remove the cakes out of the pan and place them onto my cutting board. Gorgeous! Came out nicely. So now we're going to let them cool completely. And while they're cooling, let's get started on our luscious vanilla buttercream frosting. In my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, we're going to add in 1 cup, which is 2 sticks or 16 tablespoons of salted butter at room temperature. And if using unsalted butter, add in a pinch of salt. You can also use an electric hand mixer. And then to our butter, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, along with 1 tablespoon of half and half milk, half heavy cream, and a half a teaspoon of pure almond extract. Going to give it a little depth of flavor. And we're going to cream this on medium speed until it's fluffy. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add in a 1/16 ounce box, which is a pound of powdered sugar that's sifted, or you can whisk it. And mix. Alright, last of the powdered sugar. Continue mixing until it's well blended. Alright, my friends, our vanilla buttercream frosting is complete, and our cake is nice and cool. Let's give it some sugar, shall we? I have placed one of my cakes onto my cake stand, and I lined it with wax paper for easy cleanup. So we're going to dollop some frosting right on top and spread it evenly. Alright, now we're going to take our second layer. And again, add some frosting on top and spread it evenly. Now we are going to spread the sides. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish icing my cake, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through icing my cake. Now it's time for the magic. We're going to add on some rainbow sprinkles right on top. Now we're going to gently remove the wax paper. Just like that. Isn't that pretty and gorgeous? Work your magic, boo. And there you have it, my friends. Funfetti birthday cake. Doesn't that look good? And so colorful. So now I'm about to cut me up a slice, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that texture. Beautiful. Look at that. Have a bite. So moist. Bursting with vanilla flavor. And I love that crunch from the sprinkles. And that vanilla buttercream is fantastic. This funfetti cake is divine, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Mmm. Yum-o. Funfetti birthday cake licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and much love.